This review is for the Augreener wireless doorbell. It says no battery or no wire required. And I'm going to open it up right now. This is the receiver right here. About 3 inches by 2 inches here. Speaker in the back. And a simple button right here. Show you the sound a bit. It doesn't use any battery, but that's pretty cool and interesting. An adhesive pad, bracket, and screw. So different types of options for installing it. And it comes with a manual right here. Pretty thick. About 1 page. Here I'm going to test out the wireless doorbell here. I'm just holding it in my hand right now so I can test the distance. Here it is on right now. And that's the sound. I'm going to move back far away. This is about 5 feet here. About 15 feet. And this is about 25 feet here. As you can see, this little handy dandy button works really well. And it doesn't take any batteries, so it should last you forever. So this is really cool and interesting wireless doorbell device right here. Thank you for watching my review.